Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting on the table. The IQOO 12. I am diving deep into its features, specs, and everything you need to know. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Now, let's jump right into it. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone at a discounted price. The IQOO 12 is not just a smartphone. It's a powerhouse packed with cutting-edge features. First up, let's talk about that massive 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display. It's a visual feast with vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for gaming, streaming, and all your multimedia needs. Now, under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and a massive 512 GB of storage. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Whether you're a gamer or a heavy app user, the IQOO 12 has got you covered. Gamers, listen up. The 144Hz refresh rate on this device is a game changer. Smooth gameplay, no stutters. It's like having a front row seat to your favorite games. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 ensures top-notch performance, and with that 5000 mAh battery, you won't have to worry about running out of juice mid-game. Now, let's shift our focus to the camera. The IQOO 12 boasts a powerful 64MP camera setup that captures stunning details. Whether you're into photography or just want to up your Instagram game, this camera won't disappoint. Expect crisp, vibrant shots in any lighting condition. This device supports a mind-blowing 120W supercharge. Your phone will go from zero to hero in no time, and that's a game changer in itself. On the software front, the IQOO 12 runs on Android 14. Providing a clean and customizable user experience. Stay on top of the latest Android features and security updates. And there you have it, folks. The IQOO 12, a true flagship in every sense. What are your thoughts on this powerhouse device? Let me know in the comments below.